بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Beginning with the name of Allah, the most merciful, the merciful.
إذا زلزلت الأرض زلزالها
When the earth is shaken as it has been shaken. 1.
وأخرجت الأرض أثقالها
And let the earth throw out its burdens. 2.
وقال الإنسان ما لها
And let the man say what happened to him. 3.
يومئذ تحدث أخبارها
On that day, she will tell her news. 4.
بأن ربك أوحى لها
Because your Lord sent him a command. 5.
يومئذ يصدر الناس أشتاتا ليجروا أعمالهم
On that day, people will go to their Lord in many ways, so that they will be shown what they have done. 6.
فمن يعمل مثقال ذرة خيرا يره
If you do even an iota of good, he will see it. 7.
ومن يعمل مثقال ذرة شرا يره
And whoever does an iota of evil will see it. 8.
صدق الله العظيم.
God Almighty has spoken the truth.